Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this JBL Go Essential Bluetooth speaker and there is a problem in the speaker. Let's try to fix this. So I am going to show you the problem first. Turning on the speaker here. So you can see speaker has turned on. There is no starting sound. Now pressing the Bluetooth button. There is no beep sound for the Bluetooth. There is no audio. Let me try connecting to the mobile and let's play a song. So you can see JBL Go Essential has listed here. So I'm just clicking it. Clicking the pair button, it is paired. So let me try playing a song. So song is playing. It is showing raise volume above recommended level. It is asking permission here. I'm just clicking OK and raising the volume fully, but there is no audio. Everything is working, but there is no audio. Even I have tested the charging, so charging is also working fine. So let's open the speaker and see what is the problem exactly. So now turning off the speaker. So first we have to take out the metal mesh here. So just using this prying tool. So it's easy. Carefully you can remove like this. So without damaging you can pry the metal mesh. So I'm going to keep this separately. So this is the 40 mm driver here and this is the base radiator, oval shape base radiator. There are 6 Phillips screws here. So I'm going to use Phillips screwdriver here to take out the all screws. So this is the last screw here. So alright, let me take out the other screws using the screwdriver. Yes, it's coming out. All 6 screws has come out. So now we have to pry this speaker housing here, the top part. Be careful, you may end up damaging this plastic body here right round. So while prying, make sure that you are not going to damage that. It is coming out. So finally I have taken the housing here. So let's take out the speaker cable. So everything is looking fine. This is the speaker. Let's see the continuity. Oops. So I have seen this very oftenly. The positive wire has come out from the driver. I think that is the reason the audio is not coming. So anyways, let's see the continuity of the driver, whether the driver is working fine or not. So I'm going to turn this to continuity here, testing, diode testing. So if I touch this, beep sound will come. So if I touch these 2 terminals, beep sound should come. If it comes, the speaker is perfect. If it doesn't come, then the speaker is bad. So the beep sound is coming, so the driver is perfect. I think this cable is the problem. Speaker is fine. So alright, let me solder this and let's put this back together and see whether the audio comes or not. Just soldering this back to its place. This is the positive terminal. So yes, this has been soldered. Now let me put the speaker connector back to its place in the motherboard. Now let's turn on the speaker. Sound should come. Yes, you can see the starting sound is coming. So alright, now without wasting any time, let's put the top part back to its place. And I will put the 6 screws here back to its place and let's play a quick demo song here. So without screws also we can test the audio, but air leakage will happen from these holes and sound will not be so clear. It will be distorted. So I'm just installing all the screws. So fine, I am not going to put the mesh here. So let me turn on the Bluetooth. I think automatically it will start pairing. So let me turn on the Bluetooth here. Pairing sound will come. Yes, you can see now it is started working. So let me play the song here.
Rest, yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So I'll stop the song here. So perfectly working. So alright, now it's time to put the mesh back here. So I want to tell you that I have seen so many users having this ring problem, crackling sound problem, the driver problem. So here in AudioViz 360, the ring is available and the driver is also available for sale. So if you want to buy the driver, please do message on the above WhatsApp number. If the number is not there, it will be given in the description. So you can take and please do message on that WhatsApp number. I will definitely reply. Please avoid calling because I get too many calls. If I miss it, you may feel bad. So please do message. I will definitely reply to the message of yours. So alright, let me put this cover back. So this is the basic steps to troubleshoot the speaker. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel AudioViz 360. Please go through it, please browse it. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.